Students, in the previous video, we have learned about the medicinal uses of microorganisms. We learned that microorganisms are used to produce antibiotics. Antibiotics like streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin. In this video, we are going to learn about vaccines. So note down the points in your book, students. Vaccines are made on a large scale from microorganisms to protect humans and other animals from several diseases. So vaccines are made from microorganisms, and vaccines protect humans and animals from several diseases. What are vaccines made from? Vaccines are made from microorganisms. Now we are going to learn about how our immune system defends us from contagious diseases. When a disease-carrying microbe enters our body, the body produces antibodies to fight the invader. Now look at the boy here. We can see that when a disease-causing microbe enters the body produces antibodies. And these antibodies fight and kill the disease-causing microbes. The body also remembers how to fight the microbe if it enters again. If the disease-causing microbe enters again, our body remembers how to fight the microbe. The antibodies remain in the body and we are protected from the disease-causing microbes forever. So the antibodies which are produced by our body to fight the disease-causing microbe remain in our body forever. And that's why we are protected from the disease. So we learnt about how our immune system protects us from contagious diseases. Now we are going to learn about how a vaccine works. So how does a vaccine work? If dead or weakened microbes are introduced into a healthy body, the body fights and kills the invading bacteria by producing suitable antibodies. We already learned that when a disease-causing microbe enters our body, what does our body do? It produces suitable antibodies to fight the invading microbes. So when a dead or weakened form of this disease-causing microbe is introduced to our body fights and kills the invading bacteria by producing the suitable antibodies. This is how a vaccine works. Several diseases including cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, and hepatitis can be prevented by vaccination. There are vaccinations for diseases like cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, and hepatitis. If we take these vaccines, we are protected from these diseases forever. Now we will see how the vaccine works. The vaccine introduces an inactivated or weakened form of the virus or bacteria into the body. The body's immune system produces antibodies to defend against the virus or bacteria. So first, the vaccine introduces a weak form of the virus into the body. Then the body's immune system produces antibodies to fight against the virus. When the real active virus or bacteria enters the body, it is recognized by the defense system which may eliminate it. So in the future, in case the real virus enters our body again, our body remembers how to fight this virus and kill it. So our body is protected and we are healthy. Vaccines enhance our body's natural defenses without causing illnesses. Vaccines do not cause any illnesses. So there was a scientist by the name Edward Jenner who injected material from the cowpox virus into a 8-year-old boy with a hunch that this would provide the people with protection needed against the smallpox virus. This was a success. The 8-year-old boy was protected against the disease, and this went on to become the first ever vaccine. So, Edward Jenner discovered the vaccine for smallpox in 1796. Polio drops given to children are a vaccine. In your school, they would have come and given you polio drops when you were young. Do you remember? These polio drops are nothing but a vaccine to protect children from polio. So what did we learn in this video, students? We learned that formation of vaccines are done with the help of microorganisms. Microorganisms help in the formation of vaccines. Vaccines protect humans and animals from diseases. How does a vaccine work? When a disease-carrying microbe enters our body, the body produces antibodies to fight the invader. Our body remembers how to fight the microbe if it enters again. These antibodies remain in the body and we are protected from the disease-causing microbes forever. So when a dead or weakened form of the microbe or virus is injected into a healthy body or introduced into a healthy body, the body fights and kills the invading bacteria. The body produces suitable antibodies which kill the invading bacteria or microbe. And this is how a vaccine works. That is very important, students. And the scientist Edward Jenner discovered the first vaccine for smallpox. It was the first vaccine which was discovered and it was used to cure smallpox and protect people against smallpox. So answer these questions. Go through the video one more time, make notes and then answer these questions. First question. Dash protect humans and other animals from several diseases. Second question. How does a vaccine work? Third question. Who discovered the vaccine for smallpox? Okay, students? Thank you.